Hi. I'm making this little video to try to answer your questions. But to begin with, it's really cheap. It came with just tubes sticking out, and I had to make these fittings so that I could hook up oxygen and acetylene propane type twin hoses. Now I'll try to relight this thing. It's the valves are, let's say, sensitive. Now this is running on propane, and it looks like, I hope it shows in the video, it looks like an ordinary acetylene type flame with a bright blue or inner flame, and the outer flame is blue. Well, it works. You got to play with it. It works better with acetylene because acetylene is much more flammable, and it burns hotter than the propane oxygen mix. Now, I've done some small brazing jobs with this, and it does work. You got to play with it. I usually end up using a much bigger tip to braze the size stuff that I play with. And this is a rosebud type tip, and this works well with the acetylene and oxygen. But hey, you pays your money and takes your chances.